very, very important. Are they positive or are they negative? Or the waste thoughts? Because every action, generally it starts from the thoughts. Once the thoughts comes in, then you have your emotions. Then the emotions, what happen? You create the energy. With that energy, you take the action. And how many people are unmarried here? Wow, quite a lot. Quite a lot. Man, you people are the best one to experience. Okay? How many people have a boyfriends and girlfriends? Yeah, be honest. Don't be married. I mean, it's okay.
Sir, boyfriends.
Wow. Awesome, awesome. Very nice. Fantastic. Are you married? Okay. It's okay. We Americans, we don't feel bad at all, okay? So, imagine if your boyfriend or girlfriend, you call in the morning, hey, are you coming for lunch today, or let's go for somewhere else. How happy you feel. You see that? The moment that comes thought, and that you see how your emotions are, hey, I want to go and meet him and go somewhere, have a coffee or have a movie. But you know, sometimes you talk so silly things, is it right? I remember very well when I married to my wife from Dubai, I used to come 4 times in a month. I have that love letters. If I see it today, I laugh at myself. Is it I wrote it those? But the emotions are different. You see that? So that's what makes sure our emotions are, our thoughts, the movement of our thoughts, it has to be positive. It has to be elevated. It has to be prospering others. It's not only you. Because it's a law of nature. What happened? Every thought you give, it's like a law of gravity. Whether you believe, whether you don't believe, there is a law of gravity. When you throw the ball, it comes, I don't know, 7.5 times or 8 times. The same thing, our thoughts. When you give a good thought, your law of nature or the nature will bless you. You call Sai Baba, or I don't know, you call Krishna, Rama, doesn't matter. What I believe is the law of nature. There is a law of nature. So this is the way, you know, when you people get up in the morning and even you come to the office, make sure the positive thoughts. And also you discipline yourself and you see that even you're at your job, feel it's your business, it's your company. The moment you have that, you see that your performance grows 10 times. I don't know how many people you follow that, but I follow that. From last 30 plus years, I'm out of the country. We're very disciplined. Wherever we work, that is a kind of a discipline. I mean, today, of course, I'm an entrepreneur. But before you become that, I made that habit as a discipline. It's a teamwork. You're all people are family. It's a one family. You know how much Nick's talk about it, you know, what kind of an effort he put by sitting in the US. He want to build a company, take to the $500 million company. That's our dream. Me and Nick, we sat, we said, hey Nick, let's take this company to public man. Let's take this company to $500 million. How? It's not Nick or me, and it's you people do it. You people are the backbone of the company. If anything is there, sit down, do the mind debates. Sit down with your bosses. Sit down with your directors. Have a meeting regularly. Hey, is there anything area you can improve? Even including your personal, it doesn't matter. Even including your personal. These are the things, if you do it on a day-to-day basis, absolutely company can take to that level. What was the Cognizant and the TCS? Infosys, what was in 2000? It's nothing. This company almost closed, .com, .bomb. And Narayan Murthy, you see the one-man dream and vision, you know, where this company, he took it. They are all the role models in the world. These companies, they become a Fortune 500 company. Why not our company? It's not that they are super duper. It's all our attitude. Take an example of Jesus Christ. All he did with 12 people, 12 like-minded people, and they spread the entire Christianity worldwide. What he did is nothing special. They are not gods or devatas or something. They are like human beings like you and me. But what they did something extra than a common man. You have to go an extra mile. If you want to be healthy, don't eat more rice. Don't eat more of sugar. Is it right?
Yeah.
And you have to you don't need more of a carbohydrates for human body. You get up in the morning, you have to do jogging, walking or anything. So every area, make sure, go an extra mile. Even with your parents, even with your brothers, sisters, even friends, even in the offices, make sure it's a peaceful atmosphere, loving atmosphere. No politics at all, please. No politics. Yes, some people have ego problems. It's okay. Learn it. Remove that. Eliminate your ego. If you don't like somebody, it's okay. I mean, you're a human being. But don't hurt others. Work like a family. You fight, it's okay. Good. Difference of opinion is fantastic. You may not like your boss, whoever boss is, it's okay. It's a human nature. But at the end of the day, common goal. It's a common achievement. 2018, I'll tell Nick, everywhere it should be 500 million in 2018. It's scientifically it is proven, when you see every day the goal and dream, it will become a reality. Even when wherever you sleep or there, you have to write down your goals and dreams. It's called a vertical alignment. What is your spiritual goal? What's your family goal? What is your job or business goal? Then the charity or society or anything. It's called a vertical alignment. Write down. Did anybody wrote any one person who know that where they want to go in life? One at least. Anybody? Anybody did MBA here or anybody did masters here? But you never wrote the goals. You have your goals. You have a target next 5 to 10 years where you want to be. Specific goals.
We do, sir.
Excellent, fantastic, awesome. That's what all is about. Implement that. If some of the areas, if you want, gather together. I can recommend Nick also to arrange some good programs. Where we can take our office and entire staff together, how they can grow in every area. We can do kind of a counseling. Every different member, different level, we can have a programs. We used to do in Procter & Gamble. We used to do these kind of things. Even till today in the US, we do that. So these are the programs and all we can conduct, and we can take this company to the level. And I really admire you people, and I can see you all. See, this is the power. That's what whole world is looking at India. You people are youth. Imagine what a great future you have ahead in your life. It's very simple. Do you want to drive a two-wheeler? Do you want to drive a Mercedes? It's up to you. It's your choice. You are the architect of your own life. Nobody else. Believe me, nobody else. It's you against you. The war in your life is always you against you. You want to become a better person. You want to become a better son, better daughter, better wife, better brother, better manager, better employee. Hey, if you don't like, leave it happily. Don't get fired because of the, I can call this in life, if anybody heard about elephant bite? Anybody heard about mosquito bites? Yes, mosquito bites kills you. Smaller things. Bigger things, once in a while it happens in life. But smaller thing, it happens on a day-to-day life. But if you control those, and anybody has a habit of reading some good books here? Anybody read Magic of Thinking Big? Anybody read 7 Habits of Highly Effective People? Anybody read 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership? Anybody read Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus?
Yes.
You read it. See, my wife read it. Wow.
I also read it. You also.
You also read it? Awesome. You understand, are you married or girlfriend?
Yeah, I'm married.
Married, okay. Okay. So you understand your wife well now after reading that book?
Yeah, obviously.
You see that? Some people, they wrote the book of their entire life, 40, 50 years, and they wrote in some small summary. So you learn from other mistakes, not from your own mistakes. So new mistakes, you do it, it's okay. But I'm doing mistake, you are doing mistake, and same mistake you are doing, what is the difference? And I recommend I send a list of those books to these people. I don't mind if you want, I'll keep these books, I'll sponsor those books. Keep it here, anybody read it. Maintain like a library. Personality books, spirituality books, some good management books, discipline books. You know, if you read that 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, man, it's a phenomenal book. It will teach you. Men are from Mars, women are. You know, I was having unbelievable ego. I don't think so anybody has. For me, I say is right, that's all, nothing to do with my wife. You know, when we fight, we never used to talk for 3, 4, 5 days, problem. Now we fight. Yesterday we had a fight for 2 minutes. That's it. We decided we should understand within 2 minutes. Fight should end in 2 minutes. We are targeting to bring it to 1 minute. That is the way it's supposed to be, you know. If you are doing a mistake, I agree. Hey, it's okay, I'm sorry, man. Sometimes my younger son, he's just 22, he comes and Dad, it's nonsense, you're wrong. Yes, beta, I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm wrong. What is the big deal accepting I'm wrong? I'm a human being, is it right? I'm not a God. So please, it's only a request. I want to see you people prosper in every area of your life. It's not only just working here, at home, at friends. Be happy. And it's a deliberate attempt, you know, from morning to evening. Make sure, you know, I'm really working, even till today I'm working on that. What is my thought? Before I came to this office, what is my thoughts? Why I came here, for what? If one person applied and become a better human being, I'm done my job. Believe me, I'm done my job. And I want to see people. And simple, before you go to sleep, take 5 minutes and analyze your day. How your day went. Just 5 minutes. Because everybody knows that, how many people know that even when you sleep, your subconscious mind works? Oh, good, 1%, not bad. Good, clap for that person, it's good. So we have 90% subconscious mind, 10% is the conscious mind. Whatever you say, hey, I'm dying, I had a bad day, my boss did like that, the customer did not send me the profile. I know that how you people go through in the US, you know, they don't come, join, profiles and all those. Hey, I had a best day, I had a wonderful day, thank God. Excellent, my friends were very good, my company was very good, I love my people. Thank you, God. And you sleep, and the same thing, your subconscious mind, take it and carry on and give it to the energy in the universe, and it will come back to you. And when you get up in the morning, you get up with a smile. If your husband, go and hug. If your sister, hug. If your mother, hey mom, good morning. If you have a son, go and give a hug. Good morning. If your boyfriend, give a hug. Hey, I love you. See, these are the one, you know, you have to be happy. That is the key. These are 3, you know, first thoughts, then you have emotions, and then you have energy, and then action. This is the law of nature, law of universe. All the billionaires today, take Narayan Murthy or take Bill Gates, even what Nick is doing, your CEO. He's sitting in Dallas. He got a $1.8 million home. He drives Lexus. We always have a fun. He's 3 years senior to me. He plays tennis even I can't play. But what is he doing? Here. It's all here. This is the super genius computer. Even IBM mainframe doesn't come even 1% near to this. The God has given to everybody. Everybody. As per the science, the human doesn't use more than 10.5%. Even Thomas Edison, he used just 5.5% of his brain capability. So you people are the future of this country, future of your parents' dreams. Imagine how much parents had a dream for you people. They paid the price to go to college, go there, everything. And this is what I want to give a message. It's a common goal, it's a common dream. We all people come together. If you have any personal dreams, any personal things, I recommend Nick, start we used to do in a Procter & Gamble and all these companies on a regular basis. We have like a regular debates or a personal program or a development program or a management program for a business growth or any growth. I'll recommend Nick also to do that. I'm pretty sure, you have a wonderful people, Panduranga and Mike. You see their attitude, all the young people, man. Even he's a young man too. You see that he's supposed to get retired and sit down somewhere in Tirupati, But you see that, I was talking to him last half an hour. Wow. You see the energy level, you see that? Unbelievable. And he took a challenge and run the operation in Bangalore. You don't think so? We'll feel proud of him? Give a clap for him, please. That's all is about dream is alive. And imagine what you people, you have so much potential. And I believe, it's not I wish, I don't believe in wish. I believe. And you all people do very well. And you implement from now, after my speech, and you have to do that. Implement. And I want to see you people when I come next time. The strength will be 3 times more than this. And I want to see all you people are leaders. And one thing I want to promise from everybody. 1 hour, invest on yourself. On you, nobody else, for you. Like reading the good books, doing some meditation, whatever meditation, 10, 15, 20 minutes, be calm and sit quiet, whatever time. While driving, like example, in the US, I love to drive even 10 hours. I keep my YouTube or my audio and keep listening. All the positive. I don't listen to garbage.